Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to download Crossfire on our PC. So if you're looking out how to do so, this guide will make it easy for you. So let's just get started. So one of the easiest platforms from where you can download a game is Steam. So you can just basically go ahead and download Steam and open it up. If you do not have Steam yet, you can easily find it out on the Chrome internet and you can download it. And once this is done, this is the particular interface you should be finding. Now directly at the top, you should be finding a search bar. In the search, you just need to type in Crossfire, hit enter, and when you do, you should be finding the following results that you may be looking for. So if you're trying to download Crossfire, you can just head over to the particular game, and here you can look out for the visuals, even the graphics of the game available, like how it is gonna be. You can even look out for the description and their reviews and developer, publisher, etc. Once you're okay with it, you can scroll down directly and there you can easily find an option called add to cart. So if you want to download it, you just need to add it to cart. The thing is, the game is not for free. You need to pay a certain amount for that. Right now we have offer going on up to 57% discount. So you just need to look out for the one, and basically during these kind of offers you can grab it. So look out for the option of add to cart if you're okay with it, and once it is added to cart, you can continue shopping, like continue with the payment process. You can scroll down, find the continue the payment option, select it, and once you do so, you can just go over and select a payment method, for example Visa, MasterCard, etc., and provide in your necessary details such as your card number, your expiration date, security code, even your billing information. And once it is done, just continue the payment process and complete the payment, and you should be finding the game onto your device. You can just download it and wait for the file to be available for the installation to be completed. Once it is installed, you can basically sign up with your account and start playing the game on your device. And that's it. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Please ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.